how can a person try without using force? In the Tao we call Wu Wei. Wu Wei means no effort. That means you do something, you set up good system, you have a good practice, and you practice to one level, it becomes automatic. In the West, we say visualization to be actualization. And you think and it will happen. A lot of things happen, or practicing is started to happen. You practice so well, your business doing so well, so everything continue on, okay? You practice to one level, it become part of you. And you're sitting there and just empty your mind, and you sit there effortlessly, all the thing, energy come, light coming, force coming, and all the power and energy information all come. You're sitting there doing nothing, but all accomplished. And this visualization to be actualization, you think and let it happen.